Hello, this is Savox Andy. I am in the Joe Nall 20 and 23.
The mission of the Triple Tree Aerodrome is to ignite and expand the passion for aviation. This historical land traces its roots back to the King's Land Grant of the 1600s from King Charles II. Since then, the land has been transformed into a one-of-a-kind venue that welcomes guests from across the globe. Who was Joe Nall? In 1986, with the help of his friend U.S. Representative from North Carolina, Martin Lancaster, along with U.S. Senator from North Carolina, Jesse Helms and Pat Hartness, Joe received an appointment by President Ronald Reagan as a board member of the National Transportation Safety Board in Washington, D.C. Joe Nall died in an aircraft accident while on official business in Caracas, Venezuela in 1989. During the years from 1982 until his death in 1989, Joe served as Master of Ceremonies of the giant scale fly-in held at Hartness Field. After Joe's death, Pat honored his good friend's memory by in 1990, he renamed the event the Joe Nall Fly-In.
Here is a main flight line. So you can see here all the big airplanes, scale plane, and also the jet. The scale is all in here. So the main line is from this side. You can see all the way to the end and to this side. I believe should be 1 kilometer, even more longer. So you can see all the flights here, and there is a control press. So everyone is waiting for the line and then to fly. When you see the air, so that at least 5 to 6 airplane. This show will be until end of this Saturday. So enjoy your flight. This area is for the Seaplane, so they fly over the water. I will show you some more Seaplane fly. Okay, for this giant Seaplane, it's fully equipped Savox product, so 1270 and 2290.
Very popular. The 104 laser airframe, very popular. So, in for a treat. Here we go.